to USDT. Let's talk about Ethereum Classic. Amazing. Another coin that I talked about yesterday. So basically what you did for Ethereum Classic is you made the move, make a sideways movement. That's known as a bullish rectangle, break to the upside. And now you're still looking for that technical target to $48.56. And I talked about Ethereum Classic in yesterday's video when we were down here, normally at 27.26. I do actually reckon that we're going to have a little bit of a resistance right here. You might have a pullback at the moment. So, but let me tell you one more thing. If you do come up here to 48.56 today, then you're putting in 3 white soldiers, and there's a good chance that you're going to actually continue to move even higher. What I want to see on the daily is that what are you trying to do here for Ethereum Classic? You can already see that the only way that I will say that you can move even higher for Ethereum Classic is to come up and break that 48.56, break this level. So here's the resistance that you want to break. This is all about the update about Ethereum Classic. So here, what you want to see is a break to the upside, come down for the retest, backtest this retest, and then move higher. You understand that? That's what exactly I'm trying to show here. So you want to go up, come down for the retest, and then you want to move higher. Otherwise, there's a good chance that you get rejected here and try to make a little bit of retracement to the downside as well. But anyway, your technical target is 48.56. Let's see what happens when you reach 48.56. So let's move on to the next coin, which is going to be Cardano.